Look at my cards. Check out my collection. That was not on purpose. Check out my collection of hotel cards. 2 years worth. AKA, I am never home. Yes, I travel a lot, and yes, I have developed a knack for efficient packing. Organizing is cool, motherfucker. Having a bag that can expand and compress has saved my life on a few occasions, especially when you want to bring back some souvenirs. You can check out my last video and see why. I've seen a lot of business leave the airport bathrooms, and just because you're wearing a fancy suit and nice shoes doesn't mean you're a clean person. Nobody washes their hands, which is why you need hand sanitizer for yourself. You need some wipes for the area and the seats around you, and some for your phone, because your phone is like a cesspool of germs. Most airlines have an outlet by your seat to charge your phone, but if you're like me, the outlet is like always broken. So you gotta get yourself one of these, a portable charger. It'll get you through connections, it'll help you if you ever forget your international adapter, and it's definitely worth the money. So spend it, it's gonna help. Get an inflatable neck pillow. Don't get one of the old ones that hang over your bag and collect all the germs that you bring in the bathroom. This one will fold up into a little carry pouch and then fit into your pocket. Trust me, way better. Because I travel a lot, I only wash what I have to. So you gotta get yourself a laundry bag like this to keep your dirty clothes separate. So yeah, I just stole this one from the Four Seasons Hotel. So shout out to you guys. But yeah, do that, and you don't gotta worry about washing all your stuff when you get back. If you're traveling with someone, this is key, a headphone splitter. So you can watch the same movie or listen to the same music as the person beside you. It also really helps if your TV doesn't work, which, I mean, I'm gonna be honest, it happens to me a lot. You gotta get rid of the dead space in your bag, maximize your packing, make it as compact as possible, which means put your socks in your shoes, and also roll up your t-shirts. You'd be surprised how much stuff you can fit in here. And if you're traveling with dress clothes, there is no reason to bring a garment bag. If you got a blazer, you fold it shoulder to shoulder, flip it inside out, match the lapels, and then just fold it over itself. You can stick it right on top of all your other things, and when you get there and you open it up, no wrinkles. All right, those are my packing tips and the rules that I live by on the road. If you think I missed anything or there's anything I should try for the next trip, just let me know in the comments below. We'll see you next time. How much can you lift? I don't know, about 2 years worth of hotel stays?